I'm going to show you how to join your friends in YAPYAP. So first you want to make sure that the overlay from Steam is enabled by going to Steam, top left, and then Settings. Now scroll down and click on In-Game, and make sure Enable Steam Overlay while in-game is turned on, and also check the shortcut key here to press it later. Now to join your friends, the first way is to open up your friends list and click on which friend you want to join to open up the chat. If they sent you an invite, you should see a chat message that has a join button where you can press it to join your friend. Otherwise, in the game, you can hold down Shift and Tab to open up the overlay, and then click on your friend's icon from the bottom here, and just right click on your friend that is currently playing the game, and you should find a join game button here if they already own the game and they are playing. And once you press it, it should automatically load you in the lobby, but this only works if they are still in the lobby. And if they started the game and they are actually playing and doing quests, you won't be able to join them. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.